Hi children, yesterday's class what I explained, have you remembered? Did you do that worksheets? So if you not complete means you complete once again, read those worksheets, worksheet 1, worksheet 2 I completed. So today I am going to explain chemical properties of metals, chemical properties of metals. So chemical properties of metals. First I will tell you about the metals with oxygen. Chemical property of metal with oxygen. So first metal is I am taking potassium. Potassium reacts with the oxygen to form potassium oxide. That potassium is a metal, reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. See, metal react with oxygen and forms metal oxide. Metal oxide. This is metal. Metal oxide. See, metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. You know, potassium is there, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead. These metals will react with oxygen to form their oxides. See, all metals don't react with oxygen with the same speed or same rate. Some metals will react with high speed, some react with moderately, some metals react with slowly. So all metals don't react with oxygen with the same rate. Okay, some metals react with oxygen with high speed. That means potassium react with oxygen to form potassium oxide, and sodium react with oxygen and sodium oxide. See, in order to balance these reactions, here potassiums, 2 potassiums, here only 1 potassium, here 2 oxygens, here only 1 oxygen. So what should I do here? Here odd number is present, you should balance, you should convert it into even number. So here I am writing 2 oxygens, here 2 oxygens, so balanced, oxygens balanced. Okay, next potassiums, 2 2s are 4 potassiums, and here also, here only 1 oxygen, here 2 oxygens, so you should give 2, so 2 oxygens balanced. And sodiums, 2 2s are 4 sodiums. So these metals, potassium, sodium react with oxygen to form their oxides. First one is potassium oxide, second one is sodium oxide. So these metals will react with oxygen, forms their oxides. These are highly reactive. Within fraction of seconds, the reaction takes place. This is the first one. Next one, calcium react with oxygen, calcium oxide. Magnesium react with oxygen and forms magnesium oxide. See here, in order to balance this reaction, here calcium is 1, here calcium is 1. So here calcium is 1, here calcium 1. So oxygen is 2, here only 1 oxygen. So to balance this equation, you should give 2 here. 2 oxygens, here 2 oxygens, so balanced. 2 calciums, 1 calcium here, so 2 calciums. Okay now, so this is balanced reaction. Next, Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. So here also same like that. 2Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2MgO. These reactions takes place very fast. When compared to this one, these calcium and magnesium react with oxygens to form their oxides. When compared with these two, this reacts with slowly with oxygen. Next one, third one, aluminium. Aluminium reacts with oxygen to form aluminium oxide Al2O3. Okay. Here in order to balance this reaction, here aluminium is 2, here only 1. So, and also oxygens 2, here oxygens 3. So, odd number is there na, you should convert it into even number. So, you should write here 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Oxygen 6. Here 3 2s are 6. Okay na. Next 2 2s are 4. Aluminiums, 4 aluminiums. So, aluminium reacts with oxygen to form aluminium oxide. Next one, zinc. Actually, zinc doesn't react with oxygen directly. So, when you heat the zinc, then it reacts with oxygen and forms zinc oxide. So, we should heat the zinc metal, and in the presence of oxygen, then it forms zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Zinc is less reactive. So, zinc is heated in the presence of oxygen to form zinc oxide. So, zinc oxide. So, balance this reaction, here 2 oxygens, here only 1 oxygen, should give 2. So, here also we should give 2 here, 2 zincs. Okay now, this is zinc metal. So, all metals don't react with oxygen with the same rate. Some metals will react with oxygen with fraction of seconds and forms their oxides. Some metals slowly will react. Some metals will react with very slowly in the presence of oxygen. Next one, iron. Iron reacts with oxygen. This is also less reactive and forms Fe2O3. Here, in order to balance this reaction, same here also, iron will react with oxygen. So, here odd number 3. Here 3 2s are 6. Here 2 3s are 6. Here 4. So, this is about iron reacts with oxygen and forms iron 3 oxide. Next, sixth one, copper does not react with oxygen even on strong heating because copper is less reactive. కాపర్ అనేది చాలా తక్కువ రియాక్ట్ అవుతుంది ఆక్సిజన్స్తో. అందుకోసం దీన్ని స్ట్రాంగ్గా హీట్ చేసినా కూడా ఈ కాపర్ అనేది ఆక్సిజన్స్తో రియాక్ట్ అవ్వదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇది చాలా తక్కువగా రియాక్ట్ అవుతుంది ఆక్సిజన్స్తో. అందుట్లో ఇది కూడా చాలా తక్కువగా రియాక్ట్ అయ్యేటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ హీట్ ప్రొలాంగ్లీ దెన్ ఇట్ రియాక్ట్స్ విత్ ఆక్సిజన్ టు ఫార్మ్ కాపర్ ఆక్సైడ్ విచ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఏ black color. So, in order to balance this reaction, here 2 oxygens, here only 1 oxygen. So, you should give here 2. 2 coppers, here only 1 copper. So, 2 coppers. So, copper does not react with oxygen even on strong heating. Copper is heated prolongedly in the presence of oxygen to form copper 2 oxide, which is a black color. So, this is black color. So, these are the chemical properties of metals with oxygen. See here, potassium is greater than the reactivity of metals. Potassium is greater than sodium is greater than calcium is greater than magnesium is greater than aluminium is greater than zinc is greater than iron is greater than lead is greater than hydrogen is greater than copper is greater than mercury is greater than silver is greater than gold. This is the order of the reactivity. Order of the reactivity of metals with oxygen. See here, potassium is greater than sodium. Sodium is greater than calcium. This is calcium. Okay, potassium is greater than sodium, is greater than calcium, is greater than magnesium, is greater than aluminium, is greater than zinc, is greater than iron, is greater than lead, is greater than H, is greater than copper, is greater than mercury, is greater than silver, is greater than gold. So this is the reactivity of metals with towards oxygen. See here, sodium, potassium, these are highly reactive towards oxygen, and calcium, magnesium are less reactive with oxygen than sodium and potassium. Next, aluminium, zinc, these are very less reactive than calcium and magnesium according to the order of the reactivity of the metals. Next, zinc does not react with oxygen, so zinc is less reactive. That's why zinc is heated in the presence of oxygen, then you will get zinc oxide. It is a moderate reactive element, so it is there in the middle. Next one, iron reacts with oxygen and forms iron 3 oxide. Next, copper does not react with oxygen even on strong heating, because copper is very less reactive. So prolonged heating only it will form copper oxide, which is a black color in nature. Okay na? This is about the chemical properties of metals with oxygen. Okay children, so chemical properties of metals towards oxygen completed. Let us see what is present in the material.